With Retool, it's easier than ever to bring AI into your apps and workflows. But to do that, you'll first have to connect your favorite AI provider. Let's take a look at how that works. From within your Retool account, click on Resources and then choose Retool AI. If your account's brand new, you'll notice the Retool managed OpenAI integration is enabled. While this makes it super easy to get started with AI and Retool, once you're ready to ship your app to production, you'll need to provide your own credentials. If you want to use one of Retool's built-in AI providers, like Anthropic, you can just go down here, click on Setup, and paste in your API key. Once that's in, make any modifications you need to the base URL or add custom headers to your API call, and click on Update. You'll see Anthropic has now been enabled, and all of Anthropic's models are available to use anywhere inside of Retool. Outside of the AI providers that Retool natively supports, you can also configure custom providers, as long as they use either the OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or Cohere API schemas. This means you can use large language models from companies like Mistral, DeepSeek, and OpenRouter right inside of your Retool apps and workflows. To do that, scroll down to Custom Providers and click on Add. Enter the provider name, choose the schema that it uses, and enter the base URL for the API. After you do that, add in any custom headers that you need for your API call. This will most likely be your authorization header, which includes your API key. Then you have to define the models that this provider supports. In this case, we want DeepSeek Chat and DeepSeek Reasoner. Once you have those defined, click on Add, and your custom provider will be added. This means the models you just defined are now available to use anywhere in your Retool account. And just like that, you have an AI provider configured in Retool. In a future video, we'll take a look at how to use AI inside your apps and workflows. See you next time.